Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install WPS Office on your MacBook step by step. WPS Office is a useful Office app that lets you create and edit documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF files directly on your Mac. It's a good alternative if you need an all-in-one Office tool. To get started, go to the dock at the bottom of your screen and open the App Store. If you don't see the App Store in your dock, press Command plus Spacebar on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Then type App Store and press Enter. Once the App Store opens, click on the search box on the left side of the screen. Now type WPS Office and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, look for WPS Office. Once you find it, click on the app to open its page. On the app page, click on the Get button to start downloading it. If your Mac asks for confirmation, enter your Apple ID password, use Touch ID, or approve the download with your Apple account. Now, wait for WPS Office to download and install on your MacBook. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch WPS Office. When the app opens, you can sign in with your WPS account. If you don't want to sign in right away, you can also continue using the available free features, if that option appears. And that's it. WPS Office is now installed on your MacBook. You can now use it to work with documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF files. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple Mac and tech tutorials.